Hi, everybody. I wanted to make a quick video for you about our second assignment in terms of the curriculum evaluation sequence, I guess, if you want to call it that. So right here, you previously have done the review of curriculum rubrics, evaluated them, wrote up a little summary of them, turned them into me. Now you're actually going to take a piece of either your curriculum from your classroom, a curriculum that you are familiar with, a unit plan, a month-long plan, year-long plan, semester-long plan, and evaluate it using either one of those rubrics that you evaluated or a rubric that you found and want to use to evaluate your chosen curriculum. Remember, this is up to you in terms of what you evaluate, but you want to make sure it's something that you can use for your final assignment, which is to modify or change or update this same curriculum based upon what you found or what you evaluated in that curriculum. I hope that makes sense. So basically what you're doing, taking that unit, that plan, that piece of curriculum that you want to take a look at and evaluate a little bit more deeply, take that rubric that you used, that you looked at, that is either one of your favorites, one of those ones from the list earlier, or create your own, or not create your own, use your own that you found somewhere else and evaluate that. Okay. Use that rubric, check it off, highlight it, however you want to do that. Um, Include the rubric for this assignment and then write a summary on why you gave those scores that you did for that piece of curriculum on that rubric. Okay, so you want to make sure, one, that you include the rubric, and two, that you write up a summary of each of those scores that you give them, not just a summary of everything in general, but each of those specific scores. Justify why you gave it that score. Okay, put those into one document and upload the file for me to read and review. Really, what I'm looking for here is that you justify and explain the scores that you gave. Okay, so it's your curriculum, it's your rubric. Okay, I want you to get used to or to practice evaluating that piece of it. So whatever you justify to me is fine. I just want to make sure that you understand that I want you to explain that. Okay. So if you have questions on this or not sure what it looks like, you don't have a curriculum, you don't have a classroom, you're not sure what you want to evaluate or look at, please let me know and I can share some pieces of curriculum with you if you give me kind of a direction that you would like to do or a topic that you would like to use. Okay. Again, let me know if you have questions, but this is not shouldn't be super complicated for you to complete. Again, grab a piece of curriculum from any topic, any subject, any grade level, and use the rubric to evaluate it and then justify your evaluation. Okay. All right. Thanks. See you later.